Run, run, run. Run, 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 run. It was a random day. It was raining randomly, so we decided randomly to go outside. Got into the random bus, which we didn't know where it was going. Landed on somewhere very unknown place. Explored it randomly. Ate something random and got back home very randomly. Try it, it's fun really. And if you look closely, that's what is life. Because things happen to you so randomly. You never plan what's going to happen to you next moment. Things happen randomly. But you look close enough, and if you're intellectual enough to understand life, then there's a deep meaning for every random things. And there's a lot of work, divine plan or destiny, whatever you call it, happening in background just to make the things happen the way they happen. Now we're going on the rainy season outside. It's raining. Look at the sky and look at us. And look at everything around, and it's raining. It's watery everywhere. So a rainy day, we landed in Business Bay. Look at the Burj Khalifa. Oh no, it's so nice. It's behind us. And it's looking so like, you cannot zoom it, sorry. And okay, let's see where we land up today in this rainy day. Guys, look at Burj Khalifa. It seems like it's flying. Oh no, run, 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 guys, run, run. Run, 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 run. So after a little bit long, sun is a little bit shining, and yes, after the rain, yeah, give me some sunshine. This guy was asking for a sunshine, so he got it now. Okay, it's so sunny, not so sunny, but somewhere in the I will show you. Just where between the clouds, sun is showing his presence. Okay, I got this man's sunglasses, and I look so cool in this. Oh no, he took it back. Yeah, she doesn't look like. She looks like what do you call it? Lati. How do you? So let me explain what happened to us today. We got stuck in Mall of the Emirates. Mall of Emirati, and we couldn't come out. We couldn't come down. We were trapped there, and finally we're out, and we're waiting for the bus to go to beach. Okay.
Beach, bitch.
These two bitches are going to beach with a decent guy like me. One more. One more time. I don't know why this kind of things always happen. We always wait for bus, and bus is not coming. So see what happened to us. Adbhut, why don't you sit?
Adbhut,
right? Adbhut. He's Adbhut to me. He's Adbhut.
Adbhut Twacha.
Adbhut.
Basically, we waited for 1 hour for a bus that was never coming. Now we just got on a random bus. Don't know where we are going.
Yeah, destiny and fate takes us anywhere. We are okay with it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, to see you. So we just landed up here in this. I don't know what is this residential area or something. She's very sad.
She's very cold.
Let her be sad,
Cold.
She's cold?
Yeah.
Yeah, and okay, I don't care about this girl, Wait. She was having a violent attack on me. Okay. Oh no.
Rocky Balboa.
Yeah. Explain the situation. It's kind of raining, and what we find is just this pond over here and nothing here, and it smells like a shit, and I can see two heads in the I can see like two heads inside the pond, you know. I can see the haunted heads over here. I don't know what is it, but okay. Yeah, it seems like haunted. Again, it's very cold. You know, look at this house. It's so nice, and very cold. Yeah, it's very cold, and we're just trying to explore something, but till now we didn't get anything.
We were supposed to be at the beach.
Yeah, yeah. For the beach, we have only this thing. You know, this stupid pond or something. Yeah, and you know, life sucks. You know, I want some light in my life. Yeah, and this is me, and this is Advut. Advut. This is Advut, okay?
This is Advut.
What's the difference? It's Vit and Vut. Vit. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's so dark here.
Okay, we don't have any lights, so we're gonna stop everything. Okay, we'll take you. Stop the video. What is that? She ran away because she saw a big butthole.
She scared that we part at first.
Yeah. Bye bye butthole. We didn't know where we wanted to go, and then we catch some other bus to go to some other place, and we landed in some other place, and like, you know, it's something like everything is other thing, you know, like another thing we wanted. You know,
Just saw this place.
yeah, the green views and all. Oh my god, we literally don't know where we are, and we literally don't know what we are doing, you know. This is so crazy.
Let's go, you. And view.
Because it's inside the city. I know we are nearby.
What? बारिश जो आए समझ नहीं. What is that?
क्यों खास लगे
Baby
shark do 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 baby shark do 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 baby shark do 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 baby shark mommy shark do 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 mommy shark do 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 do. Why not?
I could have taken the mobile data. I guess somebody left a bomb over here. We should leave this place very fast. Come guys, run. Let's end up this day. Let's end up this city day.
So nice.
Something is flying in the air, so we don't care actually. You know, today the whole day was kind of wasted, but it was worthful as well. Yeah, we just traveled somewhere we didn't know. We just landed up somewhere we didn't know, and then just it went off. I don't know, it was purposeless, but okay. That's all for today. It doesn't make sense at all, but yeah, even the life doesn't make any sense at the moment, okay? See you, guys. Peace out. Peace and prosperity to everybody. Yes. World.
Sarina